Good morning. Welcome to Medellin. It's that time again. We're gonna go for another walk. We're gonna head to El Centro, the downtown area. Do some walking around, hopefully try some good food, meet some interesting people, and see some sights. So stick around. Thanks for joining me. Ghana is where you get your phone card refilled if you use a local SIM. So just look for those booths. They're all over the city. So they're spraying water on this fruit all the time. That always worries me because I don't know where the water came from. There's another one of these indoor shopping centers. I'm telling you, they're all over here. You look to the sides and you always see shopping centers opening up. This is interesting because when it started to rain, all the vendors moved to the side. I've never seen the streets here so wide open. There's plenty of room to walk now. So the police told them to leave. That was an unpopular decision. Everybody's running because of the rain again. That's Colombia in the rainy season, huh? It's gonna rain. All right, we can get some food now. Quiero Bandeja Paisa.
Bandeja Paisa.
Sí.
Sí.
Esto viene con... ¿Qué jugo es?
Tengo mulo claro y mora.
¿Cómo?
Mulo claro y mora.
ustedes mejor?
Para mí la mora.
Tomorrow. Sí. Or Bandeja Paisa and some juice. I didn't understand what kind of juice this is. Maybe some of you guys watching don't understand, or maybe I'll understand when I watch back. But sometimes I don't understand when people speak Spanish to me. But as I make my video, when I make my video and I hear it a second time, sometimes I understand it. Okay, this is kind of a fast food version of Bandeja Paisa, and I know I'm not saying that right, but I've got some salsa picante, a chorizo, a piece of pork belly, beans, rice, and a fried plantain. It's going to be delicious, I'm sure. This in these little places like this, and these little fast food type restaurants, the portions aren't as large. If you think this is a lot, you should see how much they serve you at a regular restaurant. It's enough for 2 or 3 people. I really enjoy the Colombian food. It's not too far off from Southern food, especially in Louisiana. You know, here's we got some pork belly, some chorizo, beans and rice. The only thing that's different is maybe the fried plantain. That's not something you would see in the Southern U.S. But food's great. It feels like home. Okay, that meal was 7,000 pesos, or $1.90. Can't beat the price. Hola, ¿cuánto es?
Normal 500. Mozzarella, cheese mozzarella, 1000.
Saying they have normal or mozzarella is what they're saying.
No, I don't see. 200.
Okay. Okay. Gracias. I had a little trouble with the change there. So this was 500 pesos, and there's 3,800 pesos in $1, so it's not a lot. We're gonna have to do that math later. Anyway, it's some kind of donut-looking thing. Let's see what it's like. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Very, very lightly sweet. Not nearly as sweet as a donut usually is. Oh, this guy's cleaning the COVID off the windows. All these coffee pots. Looks like everybody's got coffee or thermoses or something. They're carrying plastic cups also.
Sí, café y aromático.
Okay. Gracias. Okay. So all those people with those jugs, every one of them is selling coffee. Probably all the same coffee at that. It's again, that was 500 pesos. So what's that, an eighth of a dollar? That's 12 cents, 12 and a half cents, something like that. And it's not bad coffee. Not that better. Oh no, gracias. They want to shine my tennis shoes. I get that a lot here. I don't know why they want to shine tennis shoes. I guess because they just want money. Does what? Oh, it's for your cabeza and for your lower part. Make you strong like a horse. Okay, gracias.
Papá criollado, mire el bulto. Papá criollado, mire el bulto. Esto está grabando papas, cuidadito, mire el bulto. Bulto de papas, mire el bulto, está grabando papas.
Carnival games. Chorizo and intestines again.
El ron de los que saben. Hoy contenemos todas nuestras líneas de bandeja de carga para que prueben de nuevo los rones de calidad.
Con natilla, con buñuela, pasta navidad. La que grabó y no me va a recibir. No, amigo. Dígame qué tal.
Okay.
Hello. Hi, how are you, everyone?
Gracias. Chao.
Michelada, ya para michelada. Con cerveza.
Con cerveza. Okay, she makes micheladas with mango and cherries and lime. So I think I told her to make it however she likes, and I'll try it because I've never had it that way before. So we'll see. Okay, put some orange. I mean, she put some ice in there. Now she's putting some cherries. Hola. had a cherry beer before, I don't think. Look at this guy. He's making snow cones or something. Oh, she's making it real girly and pretty.
Sentido a la vida. Tiene que tener estilo y glamour. Porque eso aquí gana a los pueblos. Yo no te hacía abogada.
Vea, el señor invitó a cerveza.
Dígale que usted me invitaba a Colombia, que no invité.
No, a cerveza que nada más que nos tienen que pagar a nosotros a veces por venir a conocer el país de nosotros. ¿Usted sabe cuánto nos cobran desde el país de allá?
Linda,
All right.
deliciosa.
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 We will see. All right, let's try and see. Okay, so here we go. The very girly cherry michelada.
Hecha por una linda colombiana.
It's Colombiana.
Hecha por
It's actually pretty good. It's not as sweet as I would have thought. They salt the rim still, so that takes away some of the sweetness. Gracias. Hasta luego. Ciao. Ciao. Bye. So I ate the cherries, and now since you put the lime juice in it just tastes like a regular Colombian michelada. You can't, even though it's still pink and girly, you can't taste the cherries at all. All it tastes is lime juice, beer, and salt. Not bad. I don't think I'll do that. I think I'll just get lime next time though. Here's another mall. I'm telling you, they're everywhere. I haven't even been through them. But that's not, I don't know, that doesn't really interest me that much. I like the local stalls more than the malls. That's going to do it for this walk around Medellin, El Centro. I appreciate you watching. I hope your day is filled with joy, good food, and a little bit of adventure. Take care.